How do we define what a grade means? Do we grade students upon the same standards, or do we have different standards for different students? That is the question. The standards that we are given as teachers really don't apply to everyone. Not everyone in a classroom is going to meet the standards, and not everyone is capable of meeting those standards. So how do we grade those students? Those students put forth effort just as any other student does, and to not recognize that effort really isn't fair. So what do we do? How do we grade them? If you grade them for what they accomplish and what they're capable of accomplishing, you'll have one set of grades. But if you grade them in reference to what the standards are and what other students their age may be scoring, it's not the same grade. And the question is, what do you give the student? There's really no simple answer to the question. If you start looking at different standards for different students, you've really lost the meaning of standard. And you really can't go that way. So what's left is, how do you preserve the students' feelings and congratulate them for their hard work when you're grading them upon standards that they're not capable of meeting? So we have an obligation to teach our children, to give them a fair and equal education. But what really does that mean? If students aren't capable of an equal education, how do we score them? How do we give them credit for what they're doing? It's a question that probably will not be answered anytime soon. There's just not a real simple answer to it. The whole education system would have to be overhauled to individualize education for each individual student, and I don't know that we'll ever get there. But it's definitely a question that needs to be asked, and people need to talk about it. What happens to those children that don't fall within the normal average zone? And what do we do with them as they continue through the school system? How do you grade them? How do you compare them to others? Do you compare them? There's a lot of questions yet to be answered, and I really hope that we can continue discussing it and maybe come up with some great ideas. Thank you.